Good day. So I finished another project I did for myself because I just felt like it. A little TV unit. Simple. All out of pallet wood. Nothing really smoothened, sanded. Nothing. It's just everything is raw. Check this out. As you can see, that's not mine, that's mine. The little dowels I put into all the holes. You can see, check the finish on it. What I did is I painted it white first, and then I put Imbuya color varnish over it, and I sanded it again, and it gave me that effect. I kind of like it. This inside, this is where the twist is. That's going to be like a huge photo frame. I'm going to put a few photos in there. And let me just tip it around. There's my top. I like this finish. The pity I don't have any clear varnish with me, otherwise I would have sealed it with clear varnish. The back I didn't really do anything with. It's enough space there for cables and stuff. Of course, my little sound box is going in there. My sound box and decoder. So that's what it looks like. That's my little TV. Very simple, very rustic. Nothing really worked with sander. I did use a little Orbital sander. Nothing worked with a belt sander or a planer or a thickness planer and a belt sander kind of. Everything is just raw. So yeah, on to the next one. I kind of like this one. Now I need to take the TV off, the old one, and see if it's going to work and what it's going to look like.